Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve chapter 2 exercise problem number 2.10. While solving this problem, we will be using Kirchoff's current law. According to this law, a cumulative current on a node inside an electrical network is always equal to 0. Sum of all entering currents inside an electrical network on a node minus sum of all leaving currents from that node will be equal to 0. Now move towards the problem. This is the circuit diagram of given problem. We have to find the value of current I1 inside this circuit. This circuit includes information about currents only, and it is asked to calculate the value of current as well. So we can solve this problem with the help of Kirchoff's current law because it is purely based on current. Basic equation of Kirchoff's current law is provided here. In this circuit we have multiple nodes, but our main concerning nodes will be these two bottom nodes. We will start from this node. On this node, two currents are entering while one current is leaving. Leaving current is unknown and labeled as I. First, we will calculate the value of I by implementing Kirchoff's current law on this node. Write the equation of Kirchoff's current law for this node. Entering currents on this node are 6 mA and 4 mA, while leaving current is only one, that is I. Place this I on the other hand side of equal to make it positive and add these currents together to calculate the value of I, that is 10 mA. Now we have calculated the value of I, that is 10 mA. Move to the next node. On this node, two currents are entering. One is 10 mA, that is coming from this node, and the other current is I1, which we have to calculate. Only one current is leaving from this node, that is 20 mA. Now we will implement Kirchoff's current law on this node and write its equation. On this node, two currents are entering, 10 mA and I1. 20 mA current is leaving from this node. We have written the Kirchoff's current law equation for this particular node. In this equation, only one variable exists, that is I1, and it is our required parameter to calculate. Subtract 10 mA from 20 mA and it will become minus 10 mA. Now place this minus 10 mA on the other hand side of equal to calculate the value of I1, that is 10 mA. So the value of I1 in this circuit will be 10 mA. This was exercise problem number 2.10. Thank you. See you again in next video.